Dear students, welcome to the C World, presented by Ambika Nula.
Just I am glancing about C. That is, C is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie. Programming language. What does it mean by programming language? It interacts with the computer with a set of instructions given by the user. Simple to say, it communicates with the computer. Next, it is portable. Portable means a C program work in any computer, any environment, irrespective of configuration. That is called as a portable. Next, it can cope up or accommodates the new updations or new features. Is called as extensibility. We can call it as extending. Actually, C language developed on the basis of BCPL and B languages. These BCPL and B were introduced before the C language. Previously, during early days, programmers were very crazy to use C programming because it has a rich set of features, data types, extensibility features, operators, functions, etc. Structure and disciplined approach to program design. C program built from variables and data type declarations, functions, statements, and expressions. Basic terms used in C programming, that is basic knowledge. First, program is the collection of statements or instructions which can be built by character set, keywords, operators and special symbols, etc. It has to first to write any statement, to write a program, to write the instruction, it has to follow some rules and regulations. We can call a protocols, and we can call it as a structure of C programming. Next, how to end the statement or instruction in C programming. However, in general languages we use period or full stop, that is dot. Either in English, Kannada, whatever it may be, each and every statement end with the dot. In C language, which to be used to end. Next, before starting program, compulsory we have to mention the header files and library functions which helps the statements. Character set consists of uppercase letters and lowercase letters from A to Z and 0 to 9 digits. Special characters or special symbols like hash and modulus, not, underscore, flower brackets, square brackets, pipe symbols, space, full stop, comma, double quotes, colon, etc. And operators like plus, minus, asterisk stands for the multiplication, division, equal. That is plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus called as arithmetic operators. Keywords. Keywords are words that have special meaning to the C compilers. All keywords are written in only lower cases. All keywords are written in only lower cases because C is a case sensitive language. Each and every character has a special meaning and predefined value. So all the keywords must be in a small letters only. For example, int, float, char, for, while, if, else, these all are the keywords written in only small letters. Thank you.